to Chris Irvin, his first. Those are bounds to the airways. Nikki Justy and Josh Ray here in the games for their teams. That's a rebound by Nikki Justy. Puts it up. Those are bounds. 2 shots coming up for Alex Walker. That foul is called against Coach Ellis.